Hey guys, it's Jen. Thanks so much for joining me today. I am on the floor because I wanted to spread out. I got the spring Pusheen box in the mail just earlier today, so I thought I would come on and do a separate video for this, just so you guys could see it while I'm opening it for the first time. If you're not aware, Pusheen, there's a surprise box. You could get either just one season, or you can get like the yearly package and get one a season. I got the winter box already. This is the spring box, and this is the 15-year anniversary box. It's so cute, the box itself. It's got paws on the bottom, and it's just adorable. So I will link it down below. I'm not affiliated with them or anything, but if you want to sign up for the Pusheen box, that's where you could do it. I got it as a gift for, I think it was Christmas. Yeah, it was Christmas. So yeah, so let's get started. Pusheen is this cute cat, which you guys, if you watch my channel regularly, you know that I love Pusheen. So we open it up, and it says the Pusheen box on the top, and it comes with all of these goodies. Now when you sign up, you give them your size, like shirt size, and then your shoe size. I guess if there's like, you know, slippers or something. I got this really beautiful sweater in the winter box. So it comes with this cute card. It's Pusheen with like a fair kind of background. And oh, let's not cheat. That's what all the goodies are that it comes with. So sorry for the shadows. You know, my craft room, it's in the basement. So where should we start? Should we start with this? Okay, let's do that. So this is, oh my gosh, it's a cute little puffy bag, and it's got Pusheen with balloons, and it's this really pretty light pink color. That's the back. And then on the inside, okay, so it's got two straps. I have, the purse that I'm carrying now is like this puffy material too. So this is so cute. This will be great for the spring. And it's got this like magnetic snap closure. It's got the Pusheen quilted tote bag tag. I'm gonna save this, and I can use that little image like if I'm doing a carousel or, you know, fair kind of project. That's really nice and deep too. There's a pocket inside. Usually the things that it comes with, oh, look at that. That cute little key ring. It's like silicone, and she's holding a ticket. So cute. Pusheen is a girl cat. Anyway, usually the things that it comes with are like exclusive to the Pusheen box, like Pusheen box exclusive. Some things aren't, I guess, but this is. So I love this. Super cute. I'm going to go ahead and start using that as a purse. And then let's open this up because this is just staring at me. So this is the, it's like a vinyl figure, 15th anniversary vinyl figure. And then the one that I got for the winter was a winter theme. Hang on one second. Let me get scissors. Okay, I brought my scissors over, and I figured I'd show you the winter one too. This was the winter one. She's got like a gift bow on her. Kind of looks like a Christmas pudding, I think. So anyway, that was the winter one. I figured while I was up, I would just grab that. I've got like the top of one of my cabinets is like Pusheen themed, so I just put all my cute Pusheen things there. All right, so let's take her out. I think I like Pusheen so much. I had a gray cat, Willow. If you guys follow me, you know Willow passed away in November. But I've always loved gray cats, and these definitely remind me of her now. Oh, this is adorable. She's holding the ticket. She's got the balloons. I love all the pastel colors, and that's what the bottom looks like. So they'll be nice together. Just two cute little vinyl figures. That's so cute. All right, so let's move on. We have a little plushie here, and it usually comes with the plushie too. It says mini plush. She's holding a pink balloon. She's got the whiskers, her cute little tail. Willow had a striped tail too, so it just reminds me of her. Oh, that's so cute. I love it. Love, love, love. Oh my gosh, a baseball cap. How adorable is this, right? It's got a thread on it. So cute. I'm not really a hat person, but I will be now. And it's adjustable in the back. It's really nice quality. Everything from the Pusheen box is always really good quality. And I think it's like really reasonable too. I think it's like $45 for the box. And I think that includes shipping, at least if you get the yearly plan. This is a dad cap. Okay, well, maybe it's a dad cap, but it's a mom cap now. Because first of all, I don't think my husband would wear this, and maybe that's just the style, I guess. But it's got the nice shiny patch on it, pale blue, super cute. And then there are some socks too. Oh, Love it with the balloons. And these are purple with light pink trim on the top and the heel. They're crew socks. And they're, you know, probably typical women's size. Does it say the size on there? I don't have my glasses on, so I can't see. But yeah, it looks like they're just like typical size, you know. So there's that. And then this is ID badge holder. Oh, that's so cute. Now, I don't have an outside the house job, but this would be perfect for that. Trying to think of what to do with this. I mean, I guess I could make it into a keychain, you know, put something in the middle. I don't know. I'll think about that. Let me know if you guys have ideas of what I could do with that. And then this looks like maybe the last item, and it's a sweatshirt. Oh, God. Oh, man, that's cute. And the sizing, I think they run generously. I got a size small, and the sweater that I had in the winter was oversized, but I think that was like the fit of it. This should be a size small. Yeah, it's a size small. And yeah, this looks like a small, like a, you know, a generous size small. But a sweatshirt should be, right? So it's got purple on the top. It's a hoodie, silver zipper, goes really nicely. There's pink drawstring, and then there's pink at the bottom with the pockets. And then the sleeves look like that. Again, super nice quality. Oh, look at the back. I didn't even think to look at the back. Pusheen since 2010, and she's a carnival scene. I am so excited for this, you guys. It's the gift that keeps on giving, you know? You get these yearly subscriptions. And, oh, I just love it. Love, love, love. So that is everything in the Pusheen box. I hope you enjoyed this cute little mini haul. Again, I'll leave the links to the website down below, just in case you're interested. Again, I'm not affiliated with them, but to make it easier for you if you want to pick this up as well, I think you can purchase it now on the website. All right, everyone, thanks for watching, and I'll be back soon with more crafty videos. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'd love it if you'd subscribe. I have lots of crafting and hauls and tutorials and things like that. All right, I'll talk to you soon. Take care, guys. Bye.